G'day guys, Scott from FatB Trader here, just bringing a quick update on the couple of trades that we have currently going on. So the first trade we'll talk about is the US dollar Japanese yen. Now obviously this thing is just, it's finally decided it's going to play ball with us. It's moving higher, it's better, it's 82 points up. Now obviously we're getting towards our target zone, so let me just go to the 1 hour chart and see what we're looking at here. Now you can see here we've got a level of resistance back at 119 or 118.98. Now I do want to leave this trade open until at least 119 or 119.00, and we may actually get an additional breakout at that level. At this point I'm not particularly worried. It's 84 points in profit. We're just going to leave this one alone. So you can take profit off at 119 if you like, or you can just leave it open and let it, you can move your stop to break even. Obviously I'm just leaving this one open at this stage because I think, the yen is going much higher. So let's go to the Euro US dollar, and I'll bring that up on an hourly chart. Now you can see again, this is finally starting to play ball with us. We've been short since around 124.50. It has moved right up against us, at one point nearly 100 points, nearly 80 points, 125.24, but again, hasn't penetrated that next level of support, which is up at this level here. And if you look at the longer term, probably be there. Let's go there. If you look at the longer term structure, it's actually, still in a downtrend, hasn't broken out, so we're not particularly concerned about that at this stage. Now it looks like we're going to get some action. It's already tagged the daily pivot, which is great. Did that fairly aggressively this morning, and I would anticipate we'll see this target in the next couple of days. We may even see it today. I mean, the ATR has decreased slightly to 92, so we can probably start increasing our trade size again. But at the end of the day, I'm still pretty conservative. I want to sort of play this fairly safe. We've had a pretty good year. I think we're up like 230 plus K on, a year which I would consider has been fairly bad for me. Only when I say fairly bad, I mean, we haven't been doing as many trades. We've probably done half the amount of trades this year as we did last year, but funnily enough, we made more, so maybe that's a sign of things to come. I'm not 100% sure. Having a chat to one of my friends this morning, and he was sort of saying that he's pretty happy with the results he's got following us. So, and it's probably a bit easier for people to follow if I'm doing longer term trades like I am and have been this year. So maybe that's something, that we'll keep doing going forward, because scalping's great, and I do definitely prefer scalping, but I also understand that by the time you get the alert system through Profitly, unless you're sitting in a chat room with me, or unless you're actually screen sharing with me and watching me trade, like obviously our inner circle guys do, you don't really have the opportunity to get on those trades, because it might be a 10-point trade, and you basically, by the time you get the alert, the trade's done. So this longer term trading has definitely helped out a lot of students this year. So if you've got any feedback or you want to leave comments, please fire away. Obviously leave comments in the YouTube section, or at FatB Trader, or shoot us a tweet, tell us how much you've made following our alerts this year. That would be awesome. Alright guys, I hope that all makes sense. And if you've got any questions, as always, you can reach me at FatB Trader or on Twitter at FatB Trader. Till next time, guys, trade well.